Ha Acadamaidh Rangers tóir chluicheadh talentach a chruachadh thar na blianaighin, agus anoist, díos is úra I dtí fíor-bheach gan scipa ghlasachu an téasan seo, agus chaid lán úine leis a clubba an ún lá.
I just remember, I think we had meetings towards the end of the season about what was happening the following season, and I just got brought into a meeting with my parents and got told I was getting a professional contract, and it was a dream come true. Obviously growing up a Rangers fan, there's nothing you want to do than play for your club at the highest level, so it was a dream come true for me and my family. At the youth stages, I just tried to play the best I could. Started to get a few training sessions up with the first team, then ended up getting my debut. I got my cup debut first and then ended up getting my league debut alongside Laura Berry, who's came through all the youth ranks with me as well. So yeah, I just worked as hard as I can and it's paid off.
It was a dream come true. I mean, I've been at the club since I was 9 years old and went all the way through up the age groups alongside Mia and some of the other girls in the team. So to sign alongside Mia, who been my best friend since I was 9, it was an amazing moment for me and my family. All through the age groups we were always a wee duo and we were assisting, scoring, and we enjoyed every minute of Academy. We still talk about it now. So to be at the first team together and to hopefully be winning trophies together, yeah, it's unbelievable, to be honest.
Get a hóisich McAulay sa bhad agus chaidh isteach an scipa tóisicí, dhéimid Berry a bhí nas fóidhneacha.
At the age I was at, I think I needed game time, and although Rangers is the only place I wanted to be, I just had to make that decision to benefit myself and my development, to go out on loan, and I think Motherwell really did help me with that. Paul Brownlee, Leanne's brother, Colin, they were both great with me, and I think that just really helped me settle in, and all the girls around me were great and just gave me the confidence to go and play my football, and I don't think I was quite ready yet, and I think that second loan spell was when I really pushed on and kind of got more confident in playing senior football.
Obviously Laura went out on loan to Motherwell a few times and she proved herself, and that's why she's back in here at Rangers. That's why she's in the starting 11 and that's why she's scoring goals. I think as a young player you want to get as much trophies under your belt as you can, and to go out in my first season and get 2 out of 3, I think it's massive. Even that first one, starting in my first final as a professional, it was massive for me. I've always tried to score as much as I can. I know as a winger you want assists. I like assisting and scoring. I like cutting in, I like going outside. Yeah, I feel like I've always tried to get on the score sheet as much as I can. You always want to win games, that's what the club's about. So I knew coming in as a professional, what we want to do is win games and win trophies, and I just want to keep winning more.
She's an excellent player and everything she does, I'm right behind her all the way. So when she's at the first team with Scotland, you know, she's just doing amazing, and hopefully she can do that for a long time.
Díos chluicheadh sodamhthúg ann an líne gcóram itarhealaite. Ag ire fó 7 bliana agus 9 bliana ha Berry a bhí na scipa ga dúich. A cumú suas clár scóraí iongantach thar gach scipa. Agus ha McAulay chluicheadh ire eadar-nàiseanta sonna chiad scipa ag ALBA.
When I got called out to warm up, I was like, oh no. I was a bit nervous at the time, but as soon as I was running onto the pitch, I knew I had to change my focus. Obviously, massive honour to play at the highest level for my country. It's obviously been a dream of mine since I was young, so just happy for myself to go out and do it. I just got my first debut, but to go out and get my first start on the same camp, it was surreal. And I didn't expect it at all, but to see my name on that starting 11, I was buzzing, to be honest. I just wanted the game to come so we could play. It was obviously massive for me. It was amazing and I'll treasure it forever.
For me, it's just a bit of time to switch off from club and go and play for my country with some of the girls my age, so it's a bit different from senior football here, but yeah, I love it, and the results in the teams have been great, and it's really shown how good we can be. I really enjoy being captain, especially for my country. You know, it's an honour, and it adds just that little bit of pressure, I think, but pressure can only be a good thing. It means you're doing something right, so you just need to take it in your stride and trust in your ability and be confident to play the football you know you can. We've got a good chance to go to the Euros, and I'm focused on that. It's a dream of mine to hopefully do that one day and play for my country at senior level, so hopefully I can do that at some point.
Hanna chluicheadh an a bhí na fárs chutanamach den Leine Rangers an téasan seo. Leis an dia seacha a bhain corm na hamasan oiche acha a thórs go búil an a bhí chluich agus a bhain til gab Rangers bhí chéile. In na naimhtin acha agus a sòisealtan an skippe a ha go mór son dúsin a hócal.
Yeah, to be honest, that was the best feeling I've had in senior football. It wasn't my best goal, but I couldn't care less when you score at Ibrox in an old firm and then Mia scores the winner.
Nah, there's nothing better. I think it was a head loss moment for both of us. I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest. Even when she scored, I was so happy for her. She deserves it. She's worked so hard to get back in this team.
To be honest, it was one of my aims in the pre-season. I thought I wanted to start consistently, not just the odd start here and there. So to get a run of games, it's been amazing and I'm really enjoying it. So hopefully continue.
We've still got a long way to go in the season as well. So I want to go out and I want to win both cups, want to win the league, so we just need to kick the ground running again this side of the season. Missing out on the title, there's nothing worse than losing the title, but to lose it on such fine margins, I think the disappointment was massive. So I think the determination is there for the host team for this season to go out and win it.